Way.
Impactor flight, impactor prop.
Flight prop.
LEC TCM thruster firing with accumulated on times increasing.
Copy, thank you. Flight confirms your go to radiation. Roger, on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Cat bed temps look as expected. The accumulated on time is about right as well. And we'll give you a more full report later.
Copy, thank you.
The Comet is not yet done with its surprises.
What's the most difficult issue that's confronting the team right now then?
Right now it's the Comet, which is why we're going there. It's presenting a very strange shape to us. We've been watching it all day as we get closer. We initially thought that this thing was something like a pickle. As we're getting closer, it looks like it's more like a banana. And the latest resolution that we have in the rotation that it's going is that we're looking at the end of it, and the end of it is basically triangular. So it all depends on what that comet does and what type of face it presents to us, and we have to solve for that. So that's the challenge.
And it appears that this has been quite a temperamental comet. Over the last couple of days, we've seen several outbursts from it.
Yes, that's true. We have seen the actual jet outbursts that brighten it, so it's very exciting for the scientists.
And nerve-wracking for the engineers. And even worse, the results of the first impactor maneuver were not what was expected.
It was the biggest movement off the comet we have seen, period. Even more than any of the simulations.
And that knowledge raises the possibility that deep impact might miss the comet entirely.
And the chatter is starting up that everybody's really worried on whether we can correct for that and come back in again.
Flyby flight, flyby autonav.
Go ahead.
The autonav flyby B-plane is 365.8 by 341.0 with a time of flight correction of less than 1 second at this point. Flyby flight, flyby autonav.
Go ahead.
I'd like to add to that B-plane information by saying we're about 1 kilometer off from the ground nav solution.
I was an extra set of hands, so I was basically moving around when issues would come up. As it turned out, that first correction kind of took us